Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how to show and how to hide your caller ID on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open the phone app. Then from here, select keypad. On the keypad, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Next, in your call settings menu, you want to scroll down and select supplementary services. From here, wait for them to load. Then once loaded, you'll notice two sections if you have two SIM cards added onto your phone. So if you want to disable or to hide your caller ID, it's fairly simple. Tap on the option Show Your Caller ID for either SIM card. Then from here, you have three options: Network Default, Never, and Always. So to hide your caller ID, tap on Never. And now wait for it to load. Now your phone number or your caller ID will be hidden every time you make a phone call. But if you want to show your caller ID, it's fairly simple. You can just tap on the option again, then select Always, or you can stick with the network default if it's part of your carrier settings. So if your carrier always shows your caller ID, you can tap on the network default option. But if it doesn't have that, then you choose Always. Then once you've made your choice, wait for them to load and save the changes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.